I just completed a program by letitgodiet.com of eating clean for 3 weeks. I think the average human lives 4,000 weeks. So this is something that was easy to do, and I feel much better. I feel revived. Welcome everyone. It is Sunday night, and we are making our last meal for the whole entire 21-day diet. Day 18, this is dinner time. We have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday left, or I do. You might start on a different day. Before we jump into the ingredients of the raw pad thai, subscribe to the channel below, give the video a like, and hit the bell. I've been here and hit the bell, so hit a bell if you see a bell, but really like the video and subscribe. Tell your friends about the Let It Go diet. You can get the book at letitgodiet.com, but check this out. You don't need to go there and download the book, because I'm following my full 21 days of every recipe, all the ingredients. So go back, forward or backwards, and get all the videos, watch them, follow it, and I guarantee you, you'll be satisfied. All right, raw pad thai. It's a fan favorite, one of my favorites, because we're using tahini. What is tahini? Tahini is basically ground up sesame seeds. You probably can't see that. I don't feel like making a huge mess. It's Sunday, we gotta go to work tomorrow, but these are sesame seeds. We're gonna toss them in too, but delicious meal, all raw. You get a little nuttiness. What goes into the salad part and what goes in to the peanut sauce part. So there's two parts to this. We'll go over the first ingredients to make the salad part. In the Thai salad goes 1 large zucchini, 1 cup of purple cabbage, a cup of carrots shredded up, 1 cup of mung sprouts. Those come packaged. Those are beautiful. You open them, rinse them, throw them in a bowl. I wish the cabbage was like that. And I wish the zucchini was like that. 3 scallions, already chopped up. Green onions, love them. 2 teaspoons of the sesame seeds. We'll mix all that up together after we cut everything up. What goes into the Thai peanut sauce? A half a lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of, I'm using an almond maple butter. You can use a peanut butter. Try to use organic, of course. Don't keep the ingredients simple on your peanut butter or almond butter. Mine is an almond maple butter. Delicious. 2 tablespoons of tahini, and that was 2 tablespoons of the peanut butter. 4 teaspoons of Bragg's amino acids. A half teaspoon of ginger root, and 1 to 4 tablespoons of almond milk. I have that set aside over here. The first time I made this, I put too much almond milk in it. My peanut sauce was a little runny. I didn't like it. So, let's get started. The ginger you put into the peanut sauce. I'm going to do something a little bit different. It only calls for a half teaspoon of ginger, or basically half of your pinky tip. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grate the ginger in with my carrots. Using too much ginger in this, because it's raw, can have a very strong flavor. Add in a cup of the shredded carrot into a cup of our mung sprouts. It's already looking good. We need a cup of red cabbage. You want to cut this up pretty fine. Again, our goal is to make everything like a spaghetti. It's pad thai. I mean, when you go to the restaurant, you normally get pad thai, you get the noodles. They're thin. Some are thick. Again, use thin strands, spaghetti-like if you can. Now it only calls for a cup. Now you can see that I have just way more than a cup. And I don't want it to be overbearing. Again, the Let It Go diet ingredients, you kind of want to stick to what's there just so it tastes well and it's balanced. but I can save this for juice later in the week. Yes, you can juice cabbage. It's pretty when you do. 3 scallions. These are already cut up. I love scallions in a salad. And do you know, when you make a salad, folks, you don't even need oil. Try some lemon juice. Try some vinegar, balsamic vinegar. Mix everything up. It's healthier, it's better for you. 2 teaspoons of sesame seed. I'm going to add in a tablespoon. Last is our zucchini. You can spaghetti string your zucchini in a few different ways. If you don't have any tools, use a knife. Do your best. I'm going to use this mandolin peeler or mandolin slicer. Another way is you can buy a julienne. You can kind of like spaghetti string your zucchini. I do like this mandolin slicer just because it comes with other adapters for different types of slicing. Okay, here we are. We have our zucchini cut up into spaghetti slices. Here's the ingredients to the raw pad thai salad. Now we'll start the raw pad thai peanut sauce. What goes in the pad thai peanut sauce? We went over this, but we have half a lemon, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, 2 tablespoons of tahini, 4 teaspoons of the bragg amino acid, a half teaspoon of ginger, we already put that in, and 1 to 4 tablespoons of almond milk. Alright, so let's get this started. We're going to go with a half lemon, 4 teaspoons of Bragg's, 1, 2, 3. I'm going with 3. I know I said 4. As a substitute, this time around, I'm going to add in about 2 teaspoons of miso paste. I've never done it before. I wanted to give it a shot. Again, don't go overboard if you're experimenting. 1 or 2 different ingredients, a little more, a little less. This time around, we are adding in the miso. 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. I am going with an almond maple butter. 2 tablespoons of tahini. It's pretty messy stuff. It truly is. It tastes delicious. 2 tablespoons of almond milk. Well, I'm not going to pour it all in. Alright, next we are going to blend this up. And before I do, I'm going to give it a little bit of pepper. Doesn't call for it, just I'm adding it in. If you want to do some crushed red pepper, curry pepper, paprika, whatever you want to do, throw it in there, use a little bit. Alright, here we go. Alright, she's done screaming. This is the raw pad thai peanut sauce. Give it a good smack down. Beautiful sauce it is, the beautiful peanut sauce to fall off the blades. While that's settling, I will read the nutritional tidbit of the raw pad thai recipe. It's about tahini. Tahini has been found to improve cardiovascular health. The healthy fat found in sesame tahini has been found to lower the LDL cholesterol, the bad stuff. Man, that is heaven. So check this out. If you want to throw a teaspoon or 2 teaspoons of the miso paste in there, go ahead and do it. I believe it's only 15, it is 15 calories per teaspoon. It's high in sodium. 2 teaspoons at the most into the peanut sauce. It's not on the menu, but I read it to you. Add it in there. It is superb. It is super delicious. I mean, like the cake batter when you were a kid and your mom made it and you went in there and just licked the bowl fresh. I hope you had a chance to do that. This is thicker than the first time, hallelujah. It was too runny last time, and by time the water seeps out of all the vegetables, it was a pretty runny sauce that I had. It was still delicious. I just prefer a consistency that's a little bit thicker. And that's the whole thing in the Let It Go diet. You're eating raw, but we're providing you recipes that give you different textures, different temperatures. Some of your meals are warm, some are cold, some are stringy, some are solid. I'm telling you, you're gonna love it because you're gonna feel better. I feel amazing. I feel absolutely amazing after 18 days. And don't I look amazing? You know, I told my girlfriend, the point of me doing these videos, it's fun to present. I don't care how jumbled it looks putting it together. I'm doing it in front of you so you can see that really all I'm doing is following these recipes, and I'm losing weight, dropping my points on my blood pressure and my pulse. I'm feeling better, my pain is down. All right, let's give it a stir. I will bring it close so you can give it a good look. Remember, that's it. That's the bowl that you have for today. I'm just kidding. You get to eat half of this, half of that tonight, and then half tomorrow for lunch. Let's give it a taste. It is the raw pad thai. Make sure you subscribe to the video and the channel. I mean, dude, bring me any food truck, bring me any restaurant. They'll have 3,000 calories in their meal. This one will be a quarter of that. And just, it tastes better. Good night. We'll see you tomorrow. We have 3 more days to go.